Namaskar. Welcome to Bansal Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. I am Dr. Jitendra Pandey, Head and Professor in Mechanical Department. आइए आज हम लोग बात करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग। जैसा कि आप देखते हैं डे टू डे लाइफ में, आज हम लोग मैकेनिकल की एक डिटेल ब्रांच देखेंगे। बेसिकली नाउ कम टू द इंजीनियरिंग। बेसिकली इंजीनियरिंग इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ साइंस एंड मैथमेटिक्स टू मेक design and develop manufacturing the product for the social utility for day to day use. Now come to the engineering. Then engineering is further divided into various branches like mechanical, civil engineering, electrical engineering, telecommunication and moreover computer science and technology. Now come to the mechanical. When we talk about the mechanical is the one of oldest branch of engineering. It deals with the analysis of force, mathematics and applied science to make a product to production the product. Now come to the mechanical engineering. Basically mechanical engineering is the mother of all the branches. It gives day to day life and it starts from early morning of life, that is the cycle to satellite of the life. Now mechanical engineering basically consists of various other subjects like that you can see physics, engineering, again chemistry, selection of the material, strength of the material, design of the material, drawing of the product and moreover its manufacturing, production and marketing, and further it ends with the recycling of the product. Now these are few of great mechanical engineers in the world. Moreover we talk about the James Watt, we talk about the Carnot, we talk about the Diesels, we talk about Henry Ford and many moreover. We come across our Indian continent, then we see Dr. Visvesvaraya and Abdul Kalam. Now come to see there are few of mechanical products, mechanical machines which are discovered, invented for the utilization of society. These are the wheel, steel product, knitting machine, cylinder piston arrangement, that is the foundation of IC engine. Now come to various, these are the machine like steam engine, IC engine and day to day that we travel various kind of vehicle, that you will have seen refrigerator in your day to day life in your home. Now it is the first refrigerator, such kind of air conditioning machine that is the need of our society. Now these are few of the live product of mechanical engineering that starts from cycle to satellite. Moreover we can see the automobile engineering, that is one of the part of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering develops starting from the fulfillment of need, selection of the material, design of the product and drawing of the product and finally production of the machinery. In industry, whenever you go, you will see how do we find the need of society. After brainstorming and after design, creation and trying it by hit and trial, by using various mechanical software, we develop the product first on computer and then after at real time we do the manufacturing. When we see various kind of mechanical product in day to day life, that you will have seen the analog watch, you will have seen the hinges that we see in everyday life, you will have seen air conditioning, you will have seen the refrigerator, you will have seen various kind of cycle. That is the basic concept of mechanical engineering, how the forces and mechanism works together, how the energy converts into work. You will see further IC engine, that is the part of our daily life. Without IC engine, without mechanism, we cannot live in a fast world. If we talk about air compressor, if we talk about pressure gauge, various kind of mechanical machinery, measurement tool, that is the part of our day-to-day life. Even if you are using a ballpoint pen, that is also part of mechanical, like ball, like spring, like manufacturing of the pen, that is the part of manufacturing and comes under the production, that is the total scope of mechanical engineering. Now it is further few of the branches of mechanical engineering, that is mechanics, thermal engineering, robotics, moreover petroleum, aviation and satellite, and moreover the operation management system of the industry. When we talk about the future scope of mechanical engineering, you might will have think to see such kind of slides. There are tremendous scope in mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering not only enclosed in the industry, it starts to brainstorming the need of society, design, development and production along with marketing and thereafter recycling the product. Recycling is very much required. There are thousands and lakhs of industry are working on mechanical machinery. Now I welcome you all. If you are interested in such kind of work like designing, drawing, fulfillment of the need of society, you are welcome to our institute. Myself, Dr. Jitendra Pandey, I would like to request you, if you think such kind of engineering, you must come to our college to visit, because we provide world-class facility and it is one of the best institute in Central India. इसी उम्मीद के साथ, इसी आशा के साथ मैं यह 100% आपसे 100% आपसे उम्मीद रखूंगा कि जब भी आप कहीं एडमिशन लें उसके पहले एक बार जरूर विजिट करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. विश यू ऑल दी बेस्ट. नमस्कार. धन्यवाद.